PDFelement is the easiest way to create, edit, convert and sign PDF documents on Windows and Mac. This leading alternative to Adobe Acrobat offers enterprise-grade PDF functionalities and perpetual licensing at a fraction of the price. PDFelement boosts your productivity with everything you need to read, edit, annotate, convert and sign PDF files on the go. Let's take a closer look at PDFelement and how it can be downloaded, installed and used with some major functionalities. The easiest way for a Mac user is to get PDFelement from the Mac App Store. PDFelement can be easily used for editing, converting, OCR and of course other features. PDFelement is #1 PDF complete solution on the Mac App Store, which offers the easiest way to create, edit, convert, annotate and sign PDF documents on Mac. PDFelement is the best Acrobat alternative and a simple PDF editor to maximize your document productivity. Links for this great app are provided in the description.
Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to install macOS Catalina on a Ryzen PC. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for the latest updates. So guys, let's start. The very first step is to create a bootable USB for macOS Catalina. To create a bootable USB for macOS Catalina, you'll need an internet connection to download the required files, such as macOS Catalina, which can be downloaded from Mac App Store. Once the download gets completed, the macOS Catalina installer will be automatically transferred to the Applications folder, which will appear as Install macOS Catalina. EFI presets to be used during installation, and during post-installation as well, and 2 USB flash drives, one for creating a bootable USB and the other one for post-install. Also, Clover configurator and a command file for creating bootable USB with the terminal using Create Install Media. And guys, don't worry, all download links are provided under video in the description. So guys, let's get into the process. Plug your USB flash drive with minimum 8 GB. As you can see, the USB has appeared here. Click on Go, and then click on Utilities. Open Disk Utility, select your USB flash drive and erase it with the following parameters. And click on Erase button. Click on Done. Close Disk Utility, close Utilities. Now, open Terminal. You can use the Spotlight search. Now open the command and copy the whole command and paste it in the terminal. Press Enter key, enter your password, press Y to confirm. Now as you can see, the USB flash drive is being erased and the bootable USB drive is being created. This process will take some time depending on your USB and system. Now as you can see, the macOS bootable USB flash drive has been created, but this USB cannot be used to boot a Ryzen PC. Close the terminal. Open Clover configurator. Click on Mount EFI. And you'll need to mount the EFI partition of your USB flash drive. Enter your password and confirm the access. Now close the Clover configurator and open the EFI partition of your USB flash drive. So, here is the pre-configured pre-EFI folder for this Ryzen PC, and it may work for similar hardwares. Just copy the EFI folder and paste it in the EFI partition of your USB flash drive. Now, the macOS Catalina bootable USB drive has been created successfully and it can boot now. Eject the USB flash drive. Click on Eject All. Now it's time to copy the post-installation tools. So plug your second USB, any size will work. As you can see, the USB has appeared here. Click on Go and then click on Utilities. Open Disk Utility. Select your USB flash drive and erase it with the following parameters. And click on Erase button. Click on Done. Close Disk Utility, close Utilities. Now copy Clover Configurator, and post EFI folder to your USB flash drive. The USB is ready, the tools are ready, and you're ready to install macOS Catalina on your Ryzen PC. So guys, this is Ryzen PC packed with an AsRock motherboard, a Ryzen 3 2200G processor, and a 8GB of RAM, and I would be installing macOS Catalina on this PC. Before installing macOS Catalina, you would need to make some changes to the BIOS and then you can install it on your Ryzen PC. Press Delete key or F2 key to enter your BIOS setup. Go to Exit tab, select Load UEFI Defaults and press Enter key. Press Enter to confirm. Then select Save Changes and Exit and press Enter key. Select Yes and press Enter to confirm. Now your PC will restart. Enter your boot menu again. And now in this step, we'll configure the BIOS for installing macOS Catalina. So go to OS Tweaker tab. Set XMP settings to XMP 2.0 Profile 1. Go to Advanced tab. Select Super I/O configuration and press Enter key. Set serial ports to disabled. Now go to Exit tab. Select Save Changes and Exit and press Enter key. Select Yes and press Enter to confirm. Now plug your macOS Catalina bootable USB and press F11 to enter boot menu. As you can see, here is the UEFI, SanDisk, Partition 1, which is the USB flash drive. Press Enter to boot. Now, here's the OpenCore bootloader. Select Install macOS Catalina, External, and just press Enter to boot. And the installer is loading. Now as you can see, here is the macOS utilities. Select Disk Utility and click on Continue. Click on View and then click on Show All Devices and all the connected drives will appear. So this is the SSD on which I'll be installing macOS Catalina. So select the main drive instead of any partition and click on Erase button. Now erase the drive with following parameters. Now click on Erase button. The drive has been erased successfully. Click on Done. Close Disk Utility. Select Install macOS and click on Continue. Click on Continue. Click on Agree. Click on Agree. Select Hackintosh HD and click on Install. So, this process will take some time. Now, your PC will restart and will boot automatically, and will continue installation process. Now, your PC will restart, and will boot automatically to the welcome screen of macOS Catalina. Now, here's the macOS welcome configuration screen. Select your country and click on Continue. Select your keyboard layout and click on Continue. Select My computer does not connect to the internet and click on Continue. Click on Continue. Click on Continue. Here is the terms and conditions. Click on Agree. Click on Agree. Now, it's time to create a computer account. Click on Continue, and the account is being created. Here is the Express setup. You can customize the settings, but for now, I'll be going with the Express setup. Click on Continue. Now here is the screen time setup. Click on Continue. Now here is the theme selection. So, choose the theme you want and click on Continue. Now, it's setting up your Mac. So, here's the keyboard setup assistant. Continue with the setup and click on Done. click on Finder and then select Preferences and select Hard Disks and Connected Servers, and all the connected drives will appear on your desktop. Close the Finder Preferences. Now eject Install macOS Catalina USB flash drive. Now, plug your post-install USB flash drive. Open the USB flash drive and copy Clover Configurator and EFI folder to your desktop. Now, eject the second USB flash drive. Open Clover Configurator, click on Mount EFI, and you need to mount the EFI partition of your system drive. Click on Mount Partition and enter your password to allow access. Close Clover Configurator. Open the EFI partition of your system drive and copy the EFI folder on your desktop to the partition drive. By doing this step, you'll be easily able to install Clover Bootloader and you can boot without using bootable USB. Close the EFI drive folder and eject the EFI partition drive. And now, you need to restart your PC. Click on Apple logo. Click on Restart and uncheck this box. Reopen Windows when logging back in. Click on Restart. Now, the system will boot automatically from OpenCore Bootloader. Enter your password. Now, the Ryzentosh has been restarted, and I've installed few applications to check if they're working properly or not, so let's check it. So firstly we'll check the sound and the audio hotkeys, and as you can see the audio works, the HDMI works and the hotkeys too. Now go back. Now we'll check the Ethernet connection, and as you can see the Ethernet is working. Let's check out this by simply browsing in Safari, and you can see the internet is working. Now we'll check rest of the functions, such as appearance, screen time, display, updates, etc., and as you can see everything is working absolutely perfect. Now let's check out the sleep-wake function. And as you can see sleep-wake is working perfectly. Enter your password. The hardware is working like a charm and it's time to check the system specification. Don't get confused by processor, as it's Ryzen, but due to non-manufacturing of Ryzen-based Mac, it will always show Intel processor. You will be able to notice Ryzen processor showing up in benchmarks and hardware info. Let's check the hardware acceleration on Ryzentosh, so one by one we'll have a look. Hardware encoding shows supporting NMX Video Converter Pro. Let's have a look at hardware info directed by VideoProc. Let's check whether HEVC and H.264 is working or not. So, HEVC and H.264 is working. Now we'll check couple of Adobe products. So, Adobe Premiere Pro is working. Let's check out another one. So, Adobe After Effects is also working. Now, let's check Geekbench 5. Now, it's uploading the result. And you can see, the result is pretty impressive. Also don't get confused by the low score of Geekbench 5. The older versions of Geekbench uses different algorithm for benchmarking and generating metrics. Now, let's check Cinebench R20. Here also the result is quite impressive. Finally, we have a full working macOS Catalina, running with Adobe products, and also getting full hardware acceleration on a Ryzen PC. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. For more updates stay connected, have a great day.